Hello everyone, my name is Ian Lamont. I'm the publisher of In 30 Minutes Guides, available from in30minutes.com. Today I'm going to be talking about Gmail and the new interface that you can use to filter the emails that are coming to you. So here is my Gmail account, and you'll see I get quite a bit of email. Like I've already had about 15 emails today, and it's only about 11 o'clock in the morning. But sometimes what I like to do is when emails come in, I like to automatically set them to be read, like look like they're read. In some cases, I like to automatically archive emails or automatically send them to spam. And there's a way that you can do that, which really helps to manage your email. So you don't have to open every single piece of routine email just to mark it as read. And here's an example. I get these alerts from some software I used called Softaculous, and it will say something like plugin theme of WordPress installation auto upgraded. And what I want to do is I want to set it up so all of the emails that look like this, they're just marked as read. They'll show up in my inbox so I can see them there and I can check it out if I want to, but they will look like they've already been read, so I don't have to click on it each time it comes in. So this is what you do. Click on the email to open it, and here's the message, and then go to the right side of the message. Look for the three dots. It says more. It may say more actions. Click on that. Select filter messages like this. Okay, so it'll say from the email address, some other fields here, and size. There's all kinds of criteria you can use to basically adjust the filter. I don't like using this particular email address because it's not a real email address. I can tell that because it doesn't have .com or .org or .edu at the end. I can tell that this is actually a software generated email address. It's not real. So I'm going to get rid of that. But what I am going to do is the subject has the words automatic backup, and then has the words. This means in the body of the message. I'm going to select Softaculous. I'm not going to mess with the size of the email message, like how big or how small it is. So it's this criteria. It has in the subject line automatic backup, has the words Softaculous inside the body of the message, search. Create filter. It gives me some options of what I can do. So subject says automatic backup, and then Softaculous is in the body of the message. I can mark it as read. I can also do something, never send it to spam, because I don't want legitimate messages to go to spam. But I can also do something like never mark it as important. And I can apply it to 64 matching messages that meet the criteria. Create filter. Okay, so what this means is the next time I get a message like that, Softaculous, automatic backup or automatic upgrade or whatever it said, it will automatically be marked as read and I don't have to open it. And I can do other things too to change the messages that I'm getting to mark them as read. I could do it to this type of routine email. And one thing that's worth mentioning about these types of messages, you can also, oftentimes you can opt out of them. Just by scrolling to the bottom, look for the unsubscribe link and click that. So you don't have to filter them. You won't even get them in the future just by clicking unsubscribe at the bottom of the routine messages. For more information on how to get the most out of Google, out of Dropbox, LinkedIn, many other software services, and many other mildly complicated topics, check out our series available from in30minutes.com, and thank you so much for watching.